te whakawhanake a Lyttleton Port Company I o rātou wāhi mahi.
Why they need more expansion is I'm not quite sure if it's an economical reason or if it's a competition with the other ports.
They used a lot of the rubble from the earthquakes to do it.
As we come from the biggest port, Tauranga, and we have seen what that has done for Tauranga and what is brought in.
I know that there is some reaction from the local iwi and like local Renangas.
Engari kaore tētahi rōpu no Ngāti Wheke e whakae.
What we're saying about reclamation in Whakaropo is not one more metre.
Kei te hanga whenua I te tauranga mā te mahi pana toka ki te moana, a kia puta I te whenua I runga I te moana. E ai ki tētahi o te rōpu tangata Tiaki no Rāpaki a tū te hounuku korako, he take nui mō te pūnaha hauropi o te moana.
They are actually doing it right in the kohanga, or the spawning beds of our mahinga kai. So you can imagine, how difficult it is for us to try and save our kohanga, because that is the legacy for our tamariki mokopuna, that they are able to receive the benefits of what Tangaroa actually has to offer us.
E ai ki tētahi taua ki nā te kaiwhakahaere o te Lyttleton Port Company a Graham Sumner, e mahi ana rātou I raro I tētahi mahere tai ao. Ko rātou ko ngā hoaranga pūtērā I whakaneke e ngā rauropi e whitumano.
Well, first of all, they didn't do it. The Rāpaki Tiaki, in conjunction with Otago University, they were the ones who actually did it. There is a point that we believe that the Lyttleton Port Company is greenwashing. We need to call that out because it's an attempt to monetise Māori-led environmental work for corporate benefit. The only way we're ever going to actually ensure that we are giving a positive legacy to our tamariki mokopuna is that we need to work together in authentic partnership.
E māramatia ana e te tauranga kaore a Ngāti Wheke e tautoko ana I tēnei mahi, engari he ahua rangirua te hapori.
There's a lot of work to look after the Hector's dolphins that are in the local whakaropo.
There is some concern about kaimoana. There is an impact as much as they go further and further on the marine life and on the quality of the water.
Remember, this is called the Port of Lyttleton. When you have a port, it has a function, and that is ships, containers.
Ka kōrero tahi te hapori o whakaraupo me ngā tangata Tiaki no Rāpaki a te tekau mātoru o Aperira ki te hāhi o St. Saviour's. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo